Well, we now take a look at another story that's coming out of South Africa. A group of black women are expressing themselves through Chinese art and sharing their works countrywide. They first came into the public eye when they performed for South Africa's President Cyril Ramaphosa and his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping in Pretoria last month. They further wowed the leaders when they conversed with President Xi in Mandarin. The artists make up the Vyeshan-Nan Hua performing arts group. With their story, here's CGTN's Julissa Jamela.
The ladies inside this temple come from all over the Gauteng province, and what they all have in common is an interest in the Chinese culture and performing arts. This performance arts group is based in Bronkhorstspruit, just outside Pretoria. It was established 9 years ago with the aim of helping young black South African women to enter performing arts. The young women perform, amongst other things, the dragon dance and play drums. It's a vibrant performance that has been hailed by many here since they performed for Presidents Cyril Ramaphosa and Xi Jinping during a state visit to Pretoria by the Chinese president.
That one was a massive one because it was an honor and a great opportunity to perform for two presidents at the same time, because now we are known, more especially in our mother country, South Africa. We can showcase our talent, and more especially to the young girls who want to join this group and explore more about Chinese and African.
When we were there performing, I was shaking. I was shaking because who performed for the president, like number one, because this is such a big meeting. But Miss Logos like while playing, I became relaxed because we are used to performing.
These young ladies say they have learned a lot since joining this group. They've even been taught how to speak the Chinese language, Mandarin.
That means that's really nice to be here. So yeah, I learned a lot of things. It's been awesome and nice. It's a great experience. So yeah, it's really nice because you learn each and every day. Like you develop new things. I was supposed to go to school, but
I was supposed to go to school, but things didn't go well. There was a girl from my previous school who told me about this place and suggested perhaps I'd be interested in joining instead of just staying at home and doing nothing. I came and joined, and it's so nice.
Their teacher, referred to as the master, says being here has been beneficial to these performers.
The temple promotes 4 things. The first one is education. The second one is culture. The third one is charity. And then the last one is spiritual cultivation. The art performing group belongs to education. So through training them, the Chinese culture, this one gives them an opportunity to stand on the world stage.
The group has thus far traveled to many countries to perform for different audiences. Julissa Jamela for CGTN in Bronkhorstspruit, South Africa.